Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make a two-color beanie like that. I will use this yarn and cinnamon. I will write the yarn's name at the description box below, and I use 5mm crochet hook. You can use any kind of yarn you choose. It's really easy, and I made this child size, but I will show you how to make it for yourself in the video, of course. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I prepared this one. This is child size, as I told you before. I made this with 25 and 25. It's totally 50, of course, chain, and one chain for starting. It's totally 51 chain. We will make 25 chain with this color and 25 chain with this color. Now I will show you with a little sample, so I will chain less than that. But you can measure it with your beanie, but don't forget we will fold this part like that. So measure it like that. Or you can make it almost 10 inch if you are making this for yourself. Now I will show you. At first I'll make a slip knot and then chain 15. That's 15. And then I will take the other yarn if I could. Okay. Make a slip knot again. Take this yarn from here and make 15 chain again. And add one more chain. Okay? Yarn over and skip that last chain we made. From second chain, make a half double crochet and make totally 15 half double crochet like that. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now we will take this yarn like that, okay? But when we take this yarn front, just take it under this yarn like that. Now I'll take the other yarn, but sorry, we will not complete the last half double crochet. We will keep it like that and take this yarn under this yarn. Then complete it with this yarn. Take the yarn And we will make 10 half double crochet now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this last 5 chain we will make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's here. I made 5 here. If you want, you can make it 3 or 6. It's up to you. I prefer to do it like that. Chain 1, turn your work and make 5 single crochet, but only that back loop. I will make 5 back loop only, single crochet. And when I complete them, now I will make 10 back loop only half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just take the yarn like that and don't complete it. We will complete it with this yarn, but first I will take this yarn front, but under this yarn. Okay? Take it like that. Maybe it seems a little complicated, but it's not. I will complete it like that and take just make it squeeze like that a little, and then make 15 back loop only half double crochet. I want to show you here. I didn't take the other yarn under I couldn't tell you. I didn't take this yarn under this yarn here, so it look like that. It's not seem bad also, but I want to make it like that. I'll show you. That's too neat. So we will make it like that. Now I will complete this part too. And that's 15. Chain 1, turn your work. It's hard to work with 2 colors. And now we will make back loop only half double crochets again. And don't complete the last one. Just take this yarn like that. And complete this. Then I will make 10 back loop only half double crochet, 5 back loop only single crochet. I complete 10 and now I'm making my single crochets. Just keep doing like that, and when you complete it like that, we will join this two parts together, and I will show you now. Please look carefully. I start my chains with this color from here, okay? And I finish that with this color. Then I will fold this part like that. That one is under. I will take this loop here and just chain one. I will insert my hook that second half double crochet loop, okay, and I will insert my hook that second back loop, only back loop. Just take the yarn and make a slip stitch, sorry. I take both loop here and only back loop here and make a slip stitch. Take both loop, back loop, make a slip stitch. I will make almost half or maybe more like that. I will make and show you how many half double I made. I think that's enough. Now I will turn my work. You see, it looked nice. Now I will complete the joining from this side. I just take the yarn like that and make a chain. Just insert the same loop and take the other loop. Just make a slip stitch. Take both loops and both loops here too. Actually, we have chain here, so take this chain and complete it like that. And when I came here, I will change the color and I have a yarn here. I will just insert my hook again like that. Take the yarn and keep doing the same thing. I will complete the joining like that. Now we will close this part. Actually, I'm out of this yarn, so I will use this one, but I recommend you to use the same color yarn here. Now I will join this part like that. We are at the back again, okay? and I will join it like that here. Just take these ones and sew it like that. Okay. I will just complete the sewing and show you the beanie. And it's finished. I don't want to make a pom-pom for this because it looks nice like that too. If you want, you can make a pom-pom. And as you see, there is no bad looking sewing part. And that's the front. Like that. I hope you like it. If you like, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. And I will wait for your comments. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there too. That's it for today. Thanks for watching me. Have a nice day.